a big pile right there.
Okay.
And fill on my big dump truck.
Is it snow?
Yeah.
Is it cold?
Yeah. I get on here.
That's a big pile. What's that in the dump truck? Look like you got a snowball.
Okay, way up there.
I'm going way up the hill.
Yeah. To put snow.
Wow.
I'm way up there. How nothing me up there? How did that? I got to get down there. I got to get down from here.
Right.
I'm sliding.
You're sliding?
Yeah, I am sliding. Because I'm sliding down that hill. That's why I'm making tracks.
Yeah, tracks.
Yeah, I went down.
Better dump your dump truck. And use your bulldozer and plow through it and make tracks. You going to dump your dump truck now?
Uh-huh.
Okay, go dump it. Now what are you doing?
Making tracks. Need to push all this.
Push all of it?
Yeah, I need to push all this.
All 15 inches?
Yeah, so I can make tracks.
Yeah, you're making them. Wow, the human bulldozer. All right, say goodbye now. Say goodbye.
I'm making this big pile.
Okay, say bye-bye now.
Bye-bye.
There you go.